Amelia's back now with a look ahead at the weather.
And Mills, our creeks and rivers, well, they're looking pretty full.
Oh, Smitho, they are. It's looking the water's flowing quite nicely here along the Torrens after falls in pockets of the hills of up to 40 millimetres or so overnight. Now, here in the city, when you look at the showers that we've just had today as well, we've had roughly 10 millimetres in the West Terrace gauge. It's currently 11 degrees in the city and our top was 14.6 today. Now, aside from in the hills, Stenhouse Bay picked up around 42 millimetres in the gauge by 9 a.m. Showers and gusty winds continued across the south of the state today. At around 3 p.m, Mount Bryan recorded a wind gust of around 138 k's an hour. Conditions are easing though as a low moves away and a trough clears across the southeast tomorrow. A high will develop in the west, clearing skies as it heads east early next week. Interstate and staying soggy in Perth and Hobart tomorrow, maybe a couple of showers over Melbourne and Brisbane too. Back home, staying dry across our far north, but showers are forecast across the south and they're more likely the further south you go too. Ceduna could see a couple, 16's the top there, 15 for Port Lincoln, 17 for Whyalla, 11 for Clare, 14 for Kadina, 12's the top for Nuriutpa, 15 for Kingscote and Victor Harbour, 16 for Murray Bridge and 14 for Mount Gambier. Now, sheep farmers in the Mount Lofty Ranges are warned of the persistent showers tonight, and there's still a chance of creek and river rises in the region too, but the risk of flooding there has now eased. In the city, a top of 14's on the way. Showers are almost a certainty tomorrow, maybe 5 or 8 millimetres worth. And you can't rule out the odd rumble in the afternoon either, but winds will be lighter. On metro waters, westerlies to 20 knots, tending southwesterly at night with seas to 1.5 metres. And to the surf, it's looking small on the mid with onshores around. Victor's looking best on Sunday morning with lighter winds there. On Sunday, showers easing during the day, 15's the top. A cold night into Monday, then a dry couple of days, mostly sunny on Tuesday, before the next system rolls in midweek, delivering more wet weather from Wednesday. Now, before I go, let's take a look at tonight's ray of sunshine. Ever wondered what really happens at the vet after you drop your pet off? Well, a dog groomer from Findon and Seaton Vets was captured dancing a duet with a talented canine. And speaking of talents, it can be hard to get the kids to clean up after themselves. So why not ask the cat? Billy, the foster feline's known to help out at home. While this pup is an outdoor irrigation enthusiast. Gray's one of around 100 dogs and cats. The AWL is hoping to find a loving home for its adoption weekend, which kicks off tomorrow. Now, the AWL is asking if you're planning to head down to just check out the website. But for now, guys, I might need to do some of that dancing to stay warm, I think.
I reckon that rain just started falling down. You can hear it beautifully, can't you?
I fear a bad hair night coming on.
I think so.
Thanks,
for all of
Mills.
us.
That's all the news for now. In Birmingham, it's back to the track for the finish of the decathlon, plus the women's 200 and 1500.
But if you want footy, the Demons face off against the Magpies, live and free from the MCG.
So from all of us here at Channel 7, it's good night.
Good night.